Today I'm going to teach you how to use the Slice tool in Figma. This feature is incredibly useful when you need to export specific portions of your design separately, whether you're preparing assets for development or creating social media graphics from a larger canvas. First, you'll want to open your Figma application. Once you're in, go ahead and open the project you want to work with. This could be any design file where you need to export specific sections or elements independently. Now, look towards the bottom of the toolbar on the left side of your screen. You'll see a frame icon with a small arrow next to it. Click on that arrow to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there select Slice. This activates the Slice tool, which allows you to define specific areas of your canvas for export. With the Slice tool now active, you can start creating your export areas. Click and drag across the frame where you want to create a slice. For this example, let's create two separate slice boxes. These boxes act as windows that define exactly which portions of your design will be exported as individual files. Position them carefully over the areas you want to save separately. Once you've created both slices, head over to the left side panel where all your layers are listed. Here you'll need to select both of the slice boxes you just created. You can do this by holding down Shift and clicking each one, or by clicking and dragging to select both at once. With both slices selected, turn your attention to the right side panel. This is where Figma displays properties and export options for whatever you have selected. Look for the Export section and click on it. You'll then see an option that says Export 2 layers, reflecting the number of slices you've selected. Click on that button to proceed with the export process. A Save dialog will appear, prompting you to choose where you want to save these exported files. Navigate to your preferred location, whether that's your desktop, a specific project folder, or anywhere else on your computer. Once you've chosen the location, click Save. Now navigate to the location where you saved the files. When you open that folder, you'll notice that the image has been exported into two separate parts, each corresponding to one of the slice boxes you created. The number of exported files will always match the number of slices you defined. And that's it. You've successfully used the Slice tool in Figma to export specific portions of your design independently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.